frick, there are a ton of sharks. Crap. I don't want to fight sharks today. Can we, like, lure you? Oh, crap. Yep, we can. This is what I need. Old broken rifle. Oh my god, the jet ski. Oh, man. Yeah, some of these guys are the ones that are, like, freaking attacking me. Whoa. I want to take that crossbow guy out. Yeah, they're right down there. Hey, sir. God, yeah, you just like... Oh, yeah, your leg got stuck in the scrap metal, bud. Sucks. What is going on, everybody? Back again with Sunkenland. I had so much fun building this base last night that I wanted to come back for a little bit more. So after being attacked yesterday, I had a little bit of a thought. So we remember these armored panels in here. Where are they? Right here, this metal armor plate. I'm thinking about surrounding this entire thing and just leaving this stairway open. That way, you know, we have a little bit better of a chance to get behind this and shoot these guys when they come in. So I was just over at that island over there collecting a bunch of wood and metal and stuff, and I got attacked again. So these attacks are starting to get a little bit more frequent, and they're coming from this direction. So we may have to think about attacking them back. But yeah, so off camera I moved this down to here. It just seemed to make sense, so I can run out the door, fill it up. I moved over a bunch of chests. I grabbed the generator. So I was gonna ask you, my viewers, what would be a good idea? Should I scrap that base? Just completely, you know, scrap everything up, get rid of it? Because I'm gonna need some more scrap here soon. But in the meantime, we are going to go out and do a little bit more looting out and about. One place I really want to hit, so we're just going to grab 3 more gas, is when I was over here. Where is it? When we were over at the Sea Viper base that we never looted up, we discovered the police station. So I think we're just going to freaking haul ass right over there, and we're going to go loot up the police station. Hoping that we might be able to find, you know, some decent things there. Oh shoot, you know what? I got this thing completely loaded with clothing. Let's go to the trader real quick. Let's see if we can swap out this clothing for some worthwhile items here. Since we're like right here. Because I have no need for these and they're just clogging up bins. Let's see, what can we grab? Let's just grab a freaking handful of dumb things and head on in. Should probably put my gun away, because... Hello. So what do you have? You have some goodies. So, what are those worth to you? Oh, those are like damaged. Can we get another battery? Yeah, that's a deal. What about some antibiotics? No, so it's just a battery? What about a battery and some of those? No? Wood? I don't need any wood. Ballistic fiber? No. Coins? No. I can get an extra battery. You have like nothing else I want. So let's do it. And then let's toss these in there. And do you want like... No, okay. Let me go grab some more. Because I want to just get rid of this stuff. Alright, let's just get a bunch more garbage here. Oh, I'm putting it back in. Oh my god. Wow. Let's just get all of this. Alright, let's see what we can get for these. Let's toss the globe in there for good measure. These look good. Those, and some gloves. Can we get some coins? About 2, 3, 4. Ooh, 3. And can of food. No. Yes, sure. Deal. Okay, what about these? Can we get like 1 coin? No, you don't want those, do you? You just don't want those. You're not interested. Okay, well, I guess I'm keeping them. Okay, not so bad. We got some coins and we got an extra battery. So we will just toss those in there. Oh shoot, why did I even bring any of this? Frick, I got wood. Oh, I got a clock. Let's go see if she wants the clock. Oh, let's go see. Maybe we can get 1 more coin out of her with the clock. Oh man. Anything? Wow, you are just not interested in that garbage, huh? Okay. Well. Alright. We just gotta get some of these things moved around here. Let's get the gas thrown in there. And we're off. Which way were we going again? Yeah, like literally right that way. Alright, we got a decent amount of fuel. Alright. Yeah, I hope you guys are loving the content. I'd love for you guys to hit the comment section. Let me know how I'm doing. You know, hit the like button. That goes a long way for me. So this was the last place I think that we hit up. What is this? This is Radio Island. Alright. Yeah, that's something we can think about. Is that the police station right there? Or is that... No, the police station's gotta be underwater. Police station right here. Are we seeing it yet? There's gotta be some sharks here though, right? So let's... How does this thing work? Use... Oh. Oh. Oh, frick, there are a ton of sharks. Crap. Don't want to fight sharks today. Can we, like, lure you? Oh, crap. Yep, we can. Come on, get off the boat. Where are they? We see them? You can't just, like, lure them to the surface? Oh, shit. Where'd they go? Oh, they went back. Hi, guys. Oh, this guy looks interested. No? Come on. What is the best way? Holy smokes, they got 2 of them coming after me? Oh, they don't even, like, continue to follow. Can't we just get, like, 1 of you? 'Cause I'd rather just deal with 1 of you at a time. Nope. You both wanna... Oh my god, this is not gonna be good. Oh, man, they're hitting me hard. Hopefully this armor holds up. Come on. Oh yeah, you're coming back. Well, that one guy's running. You don't want nothing to do with us. Oh no, he's coming back. Wonder if we can, like, juke him. Nope. You get over here. Ah, oh, bastards. Come on. Fight to the death. We're gonna frickin' thank you. You get over here. Yes. Okay, we got him. Whew. Okay. That was thrilling. Okay, air tanks out. Take all. I want these electronics. Alright, we're gonna freaking get a ton of bullets from this. Okay, let's go up for a breath. Gain your composure, Rowdy. Holy smokes. Just hop back in the boat. Okay. Whew. Okay, we got the sharks. Let's just get all... Actually, let's eat. Gain a little bit of... No, I don't want to eat that. Good on food and water. Let's use this thing again. Oops. Get back out. Okay. Oh, this is like way freaking... Holy smokes, this thing's fast. Yeah, this is like the way to go, man. If you want to get back and forth. This thing's sweet. Alright, how do we loot this? Yeah, right there. Yeah, this is gonna be awesome to get scrap and bullets and everything. Oh man. Hopefully we can get to the surface. Oh, you guys gotta get one of these things. Holy smokes, this thing is sweet. Alright, let's go back down. Wow. This is freaking awesome. I should have had this thing like way long ago. Oh, there's so much freaking stuff down here too. Yeah, so you guys will have to hit me up in the comment section. What should I do with my old base? Should I just like scrap it out, or should we leave it just to go back to? Or not that I think we're really going to be going back to it, because you know what we got going on over here with our new base is pretty sweet. But yeah, you know, I just wanna know what you guys are feeling about that. Oh no, what am I losing? Did I just drop a whole bunch of crap? No? I don't think we did, right? Alright, what do we have to do? Go back to our inventory and hit use? Okay. Alright, let's hit these guys up, because this is like primarily what we came for. Is getting the ammo and gun parts. And then we can kind of figure out what we got left for space after that. Get some rubber. Oh, this thing is awesome. Oh my gosh. Yeah, first thing I would do is hit the trader and freaking get one of these dang things. This is gonna make freaking life so much easier. Alright, what the heck else do we see around here? Lots of rubber. This is good. Some scallops. Come on, give them. Yeah, I did bring the generator over so we can charge this guy up. Okay, do we have any more hot powers or anything? Okay. Let's see a toolbox in there. Yeah, take it all. Okay. You know what we should do is probably slap this thing into our hot bar. Because that was freaking close. Alright, what do we got left for inventory space? We're not doing too bad. Not doing too bad. Come on. Yeah, police station has been freaking nice. Oh my god, strawberry seeds. What the hell am I gonna do with that? Am I gonna get stuck up here? Okay, we're gonna have to do this all in one breath. Because that's not gonna work. Okay, what else can we put in our boat? Is there anything else? So rubber can stack. That works. Okay. Okay, we're running out of daylight. Let's get down here. We'll get this freaking place looted out. Because this looks like it's gonna have some decent stuff. Like right here. Oh yeah. Boom. And then let me hit this. Boom. Locker. Oh my god, freaking clothes. Alright, we gotta go. Okay, it's getting late. We are going to need to get to a fire. Alright, let's just get back in here and get the rest of this junk. Thank you. And you. So the way this place is just completely looted up. Right? I think we got everything. Yeah, we gotta get that freaking little scooter in our hotbar. Alright, and then while we're... Oh, I did drop something. I wonder if we should just make a run back home. It's just so freaking far. We're like right down here. Might not be a bad idea. Maybe we can... Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Alright, I see the glass house right now. Yep, we're starting to get cold. Oh, we are hightailing it. Yeah, that's some pretty decent loot from there, though. We haven't even made it inside. Actually, this is going to be good, because then we can go back and pump up our air tank. That way we can really get that place completely looted out. Then it'll be daytime. It'd be good. This is a good decision. Get more food too and water. It's really not that far anyways. Yeah, I'm liking the space though. It's working out a lot better. And we can probably always put a second floor on this too. Or third floor. Oh jeez, I left the door open and everything. Alright, we got wood on us. Nope. Do we? Nope. I got plenty of it. Alright, what do I even have on me? Okay. Let's get this guy pumped up. The gauge up top does work, by the way. Right here, let's grab that. And we'll bring those. We'll fill up on some water. And then... Okay. Let's do this. Head on back out. Wait, am I going? No. This way. Cool. Just in time for morning, too. Alright. Yeah, I appreciate everybody hanging out and taking a look at what I'm making for videos. I know my last video, the volume was... It was off. If you go back 2 videos, actually, you'll notice that I actually changed the volume mid-game. And it didn't take effect until I logged out, logged back in, and then it kind of affected the last recording that I had. So it was a little frustrating for me because, you know, in editing there wasn't really anything I could do about it. Couldn't really... I tried to set up my software to, you know, record the game volume and my volume separately, but it's just not, it's not working. So, all right, is there a way that we can just pull these flares, put our tank back on, and put that down there? Like, does that work? Yeah, it does. So why don't we actually swap that? And we'll just like maybe move everything down 1. And we'll get the spear a little bit closer. Yeah, that's a little easier to hit. Okay, no more sharks, right? Alright. So how do we get into this bad boy? Okay, let's just grab this while we're seeing it. Gasoline, perfect. Do we not go in here? Oh, okay. Oh, look at this big mamma jamma. Nothing really that good though. Alright, let's bust this guy up. I was really hoping for a little nicer... Oh, this is a freaking safe. Perfect. This is what I need. Old broken rifle. Oh my god, the jet ski. Oh man. That is so needed. 2 gun parts. Alright, we're getting kind of close on air. Did we loot this place out completely? No. Maybe? No. No, there's gonna be some more chemicals. That. Okay, here's a little table. Oh no, we did not loot it out. Nice. Oh my god, there's more? Oh, I don't have freaking room. Okay, let's bust out of here. Okay, let's go. Battery lasts in this thing pretty well, too. Come on, where's the chest? Alright, these, let's just learn them right up. Frick yeah. Broken motorcycle helmet. Oops. Just get all of you in there. How are we looking on food and water? We're good. Okay, how's best? Okay, we're good on this floor, I believe. We just need to get up here. Oh, there's even something up there, maybe? Okay, take all. Bust you up. And then some walkers. Okay, sure. Okay. We got 3 rifle rounds. Now, is this like a... Nope. Oh shit, our oxygen. Oh my god. Let me out of here. Oh man, that was close. Okay, how are we looking for loot here? 95%. Okay, well, I'm gonna admit defeat on that. Let's see, where is this thing? Put that there. We brought the battery back home, didn't we? Okay, well, we may not even need it. Okay, let's offload as much as we can here. Yeah, we did get some decent stuff, though. We got another, broken bolt action. That freaking jet ski, though. What is that? Oh my god, we can actually even make it, too. Oh, that's gonna be freaking sweet. Alright, you know what I really want to do while we're here? I want to check out freaking Radio Island. Oh, and another thing that I actually discovered is we can just, like, repair our boat. I didn't even know this. Like, I was just getting ready for this thing to break. And here we can just smack it with a freaking hammer. Look at that. Freaking 100% now. Alright, now who is this? Is this the freaking... Oh, it's just the mutants? I think we're just gonna freaking board. I don't think these guys really have a freaking ton. Wow, they're freaking resilient. Yeah, some of these guys are the ones that are like freaking attacking me. Whoa. I want to take that crossbow guy out. Yeah, I see you back there, don't worry. Ah, stop moving. Oh, smokes. You hit the outside of a barn today. There, I'll get around your shield, don't worry. Whoa, Jesus. Where the hell did you just come from? Frick's sake. Get the hell out of here. Alright, reload. What do you got? You got nothing. Alright, where is this freaking crossbow guy? Can't even freaking find him. Is he up on here? Come on, get freaking out of the way. Oh, they're roasting a freaking pig. Can you guys see him? There you are. Yeah. What now? Alright. On you? Did I already? Yeah. Alright. How do we get up there? Anyways. I saw a chest somewhere. Where the frick did I see that? Right here. I really want to check this out. Man, you guys just got some freaking clothes and a magazine. I mean, I'll take it. Do we have enough to build this? No, we need some wood. I'm gonna bust this up. I really gotta get, like, back here and properly loot all these places up. Because I got a lot of them out there that we haven't, you know, properly looted. So we'll get a couple more things. We'll probably just load up our inventory and then we'll get out of here. Scrap is what I'm primarily looking for. Okay, there's some copper here. There's another locker or a... Here, let's get this. This will have some components. Oof, I'm not gonna be able to take it. Take this though. What is that? Oh, fridge or stove? Soda? Why not? I'll drink that. Okay. I think we are gonna be good. And then more copper. Oh, here's some more scrap. Was there another? Anyways, yeah, right here. Yeah, a ton of copper over here. That's gonna be super helpful. Alright, motor on back home. Which is over here. Cool. So there's only like one more mutant island. Actually, that might have been the last. Let's check it out. Go to factions. Yeah, look at that. 0 enemies and no more islands. So we don't have to worry about the mutants anymore. Just have to worry about everybody else. Yeah, kind of like deforested the island over here. Stripped all the copper and the iron from it. Next, we're gonna have to check that one. But I think we got enough for now. I want to try and build up the side of our base here. Maybe even put some, you know, defenses on there. Alright, let's get freaking... Are we like completely full in our inventory? Okay, we'll grab that. Okay, we're gonna need a little bit of food. Do we have anything on us? Yep. Oh, I threw up a couple paintings too. I don't know. What do we got to cook? Yeah, cook up some mushrooms. What else do we have on us? Was I putting ballistic fiber there? That and that go in there. Wood. Valuables. Okay, we got a bunch of foods. Now this is like freaking clothing now. It would be nice to hit the trader and get rid of, but we're not going to do that right now. So we need to bring this in so we can pop the battery out. basically sticking all this stuff in there. Stack any more rubber, cloth, duct tape. Okay, we just have to stay there. Shit, what else did I have on us? Some food, a little bit of clothes. A broken police helmet, which is down here. I don't need some more freaking chests. And then let's get all of this stuff in there. Is that motorcycle helmet any good? Not really. Okay. So we'll just stuff it in the chest and probably forget about it. Oh. What do we have for iron? Okay, we'll do that in a second. And you got this broken gun that we can fix later. And then we got some food. That. This freaking miscellaneous freaking junk. I don't think we have any room for it. We're getting attacked. Yep. Where the frick are they? Where are the rest of them? Are they just downstairs? Wish we had a freaking trap door that we could actually, like... Yeah, they're right down there. Hey, sir. Is he already dead? Weird way to die. Back off. Oh, you don't even have anything. God, yeah, you just feel like... Oh yeah, your leg got stuck in the scrap metal, bud. Sucks. Very sorry. Don't attack me next time. Okay, now that that's over. Yeah, a little revenge friggin'. They're literally trying to raid me every day. Okay, so what were we doing? I forget. I wanted to build a jet ski. Sorry. We need 10 ingot. So let's put one of you in there, one of you in there, one of you in there. And then what else was there? Oh. 15 of these. Okay, and I was putting more stuff away. And I don't have room for, which is cool. Ammo, that can go down there. I did get some more breathing pills, but where the frick was I putting that? Oh. Yeah. Okay. Do I have it all? I do. Oh my god. Look at this frickin' thing. I want to take it out for a spin. I don't know where all our gas went. We just grabbed a bunch. Oh, I got 9 on me. The heck, Rowdy? Pay attention. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do 5. Holy smokes, dude. Freaking motoring, bud. Oh, hell yeah. Oh my god. This is awesome. Alright. We found our new raiding rig. Get in and out. Frickin' A. That's awesome. Alright, while we're right here, we are going to build a freaking crap ton of these. Because obviously these guys are not going to be giving up anytime soon. I'll just align this place with these armor plates. That way they can't, hopefully can't just jump up here. Running out of scrap. Yep. Do I have more in the boat? Nope. Get everything out of there. I don't know how much we're gonna need, but we're at it. Let's just get this thing cranking. We're almost done with this anyways. It may be smart for us just to scrap that other base, but at least the second floor. Just so we can get some of our resources back. Where's our stairs? Right there. So let's just slap one more of these in. There. That way they're kind of forced to be funneled in here. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud here, but you know, like, can we? Oh, that's gonna look kind of cool. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm out of wood. Yeah, we're gonna ring right around the base with those. Let me just grab more scrap preemptively. I'm gonna get this gun put away. Okay, where did we stop? Was it right there? That way if they do try to come up here, they're gonna get stuck. Are we out of freaking scrap again already? Damn. Yeah, scrap is becoming quite a major issue. Can we even get this finished? Where did we stop? Right there? I don't know, man. Yeah, now we're out of freaking wood. Come on, should have paid attention to that. Yeah, it almost seems necessary to scrap that place. Either that or just work my butt off and get more loot. Okay, now the jet ski's in the way. Nope, I don't have enough scrap. Okay, Well, we got pretty much all the way around with that. That's cool. Cool. Alright, we gotta close these windows. What? Do I not even have a window there? What? They busted my window? Okay. Actually, let's just hit the repair guy. There. Alright, everybody. Well, I'm gonna be leaving the episode off here. And hopefully everybody's enjoying. I really do appreciate everybody watching. And, you know, give this video a like, share, subscribe. And, you know, tell your buddies, tell your friends. Everybody, you've been super great. You all have been super helpful, giving me recommendations, telling me what, you know, what's good, bad, what I could do better. You know, it means a lot to me. Give this video a like, and you know, I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully you're enjoying the base build. All right, everybody. Rowdy Gaming signing off. Have a great rest of your day.